Welcome to the channel, everyone. If you've got a Toyota vehicle that's giving you a message on the dash here saying that the key fob battery is low and needs to be replaced, we're going to be showing you how to do that right now, assuming you have the same style key fob. This is a 2017 Toyota Camry, although I'm sure many models and years of Toyotas use this same key fob. All right, so this is the key fob in question. If you have any year model Toyota that uses this style looking key fob, the steps should be the same for you. We're going to need a CR 2032 battery, which I will link down in the video description below if you want to purchase yours online. Otherwise, just get it from a store. First thing we're going to do is flip it over, and you see here it says push. We're going to push the very far end of it towards the left, the bottom of the fob here. Hold it down and pull the key out. Set that aside. And then you probably could use the key, but I don't really want to damage it just in case, so I'm going to recommend you use a flat blade screwdriver, and you're going to stick it in right here. So the key came out of this vertical slot. All right, so we're going to use the screwdriver on the horizontal slot right here. Just push it in a little bit. It only goes in, I don't know, 1/8 of an inch, and then just give it a little twist. Go slowly though, you don't want this thing to pop apart on you. So now you can lift this piece off, set it aside, and then I like to just lay it out exactly how I was holding it so you don't get anything mixed up. We're going to take this motherboard off, and that is what has the battery on it. So remember, the battery is to this side if that's how your fob is. If I can focus here, yeah, you'll see that there's actually two little plastic fingers that come over the top of the battery, so you can't just lift up right here, you'll break them fingers off. What we have to do is actually pick it up from this side, which is a little more challenging than you might think. There we go. Just couldn't quite get enough of a grasp with the fingernail. Pull that out. So you'll see this is the negative side, I believe. Positive is the flat side on top. And positive was facing up when we removed this. So we're gonna unpackage the new battery, put it in the same way. It's honestly amazing how big of a pain it is to get these batteries out of there. I'm gonna save you the pain of watching me do that because you're gonna have to deal with it yourself, that whole fiasco. So flat side, positive right there, it's got a plus on it. That's gonna face up. We're gonna take, and over on the right here is where those two fingers are. So we're gonna feed it in. Where did this blue come from? What are you talking about? Feed it in from the left, get it underneath those fingers, and then push down on the left side, okay? I figured it out. I don't know why, but these dots are like painted on this battery and they're blue. Yeah, it doesn't, whatever, just making a big mess. Anyway, now here's your fob, the bottom of it. Now you can see there's a little circle here and then a little square pad there. We want the square to go with the square and the battery to go with the circle. So it's gonna go like this. Battery faces down, but make sure that it doesn't fall out. If you want, you can hold it like this and then just put that on top. But battery seems to hold itself in place. So that's how we do it. There are small little alignment fingers. You can see right here, 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 here. There's 6 of them. And so those kind of help you make sure you're in place. So there's gonna be a little bit of movement when it's all together like that. That's fine. Then you're gonna take this piece here. Make sure your buttons are not falling out. Now this can only go one way. As you can see, this side is more rounded. This side's more squared. So we're just gonna go like this. Make sure it's all kind of lined up going around, and then snap it back together. Just pinch together. Don't push on the buttons when you're doing that because you'll sound your alarm or something like that. There we go, snapped back together, and then we can take our key, and you'll see this is kind of the longer edge here that's going to face towards the opposite direction of the fob, like the opposite side of the fob, just like this. Make sure that's clicked in, and don't forget to give it a test start. Make sure there's no battery message on the dash. And that's it. Hopefully this video helped you out. Again, link in the description for the battery. If this video helped you out, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below with any questions, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Check me out on all my socials, and as always, thanks for watching. Have a great day.